It's raining right now, and it's kind of thundery, and one of my dogs, Sasha, is freaking the fart out. Seriously, she is shaking. Like, look at her. Okay, I guess Luna's in the video now. Like, look at her. She's really shaky. And she was outside my door, and she was sitting at my door, and my door was vibrating. That's how scared she is. Yeah, Sasha hates rain and thunder. Look, even Luna's, like, wondering what's going on. Jesus. You okay? Yeah, this happens all the time. This is actually the first time I let her in my room when this happened. Sometimes she goes in my room. Sometimes Sasha doesn't. This is the first time I've ever let her in my room when it rains. You okay? If you have a dog at your house and it's raining and thundering and your dog is shaking like crazy, you should hug your dog until, like, I don't know, 5 minutes or 10 minutes later. Maybe 5. Yeah. Well, the rain's dying down, so that's good.